Well, everybody, it's time to do another unboxing of my Christmas albums, and it's time to open it up right now. So, I got a couple packages here. So, let's open some mail up. I think I'll open what I have in my hands first. So, let's see what we got. Ooh, what's this? Got my Christmas album too! Cool. Christmas 2. And some 13 healthy meals. Don't need that. Okay, now for the next unboxing. Now, there's another classic Christmas album. Cool. That's 2. And the last one. We'll see now. This was come only to this year already. Alright, last one. They are pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that's it for the video, obviously. Christmas Volume 4. Now Christmas Volume 2. And now Christmas, the 32 song collection. I'll check these later. Alright, that's the unboxing of my third half of my Christmas albums. We're halfway towards the collection, so hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Vlog you later. Peace out.